Iris Julian. Away they go. Rushing up is AJ Special Iris Julian Forever My Love. Alongside Don Edwards Best King Manjo. Take Me Tonight Da Vinci. While Senora Nenita is running at the tail of the field. AJ Special by about 3 lengths followed by Forever My Love. Idas Julian racing by the rushing up is King Manjo. And during the far turn, AJ Special hanging to that 2 lengths lead followed by King Manjo by the alongside Forever My Love. Iris Julian racing forward by about 2 lengths. Take Me Tonight. Don Edwards Best. Senora Nenita Da Vinci racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with AJ Special Forever My Love at the center by the King Manjo Take Me Tonight. And nearing the finish line, it's now Forever My Love by about 2 lengths. AJ Special, King Manjo, Senora Nenita, and finally Forever My Love. AJ Special, Senora Nenita, King Manjo, and Take Me Tonight.